First open Start and type network connection. Click on View Network Connection. If your network adapter is disabled, right-click your network adapter and click on Enabled. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Left-click on Network and Internet. Left-click on Internet option. Open Connection tab. Click on LAN setting. Uncheck it and press OK. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type exit and press enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.